Hi team, welcome back. Today we will start with TestNG. Okay, so simply what is a TestNG? TestNG is nothing but a simple framework which is implemented in Java. TestNG is a simple framework which we are using for our testing needs. Okay, we can use for our UI testing, we can use for unit testing, we can use for integration testing. Okay, so it is nothing but a simple framework which have some information that will help for testing needs. What we do here, we'll simply create some logic for our testing. Okay, let's say if I want to test login functionality, I will create a logic like opening the browser, you giving the username, giving the password, clicking on the button and cross checking I logged in or not. Like that we will create some logic for our test. On top of it we will insert our TestNG annotations. We will see what is the TestNG annotations, okay, in coming sessions. Okay, but just for simplify, we will create a logic and we will insert TestNG annotations. Like that we create a number of tests, right? We will call all those tests into one build file. Generally we will call here it as a testng.xml file and we will run that file. So TestNG will run the testng.xml file which will trigger all the test cases in your project. So in simplifier manner, what is a TestNG? TestNG is nothing but a simply test runner. Okay, so it will run all your test cases. Now let's see. First we will see how to install this particular TestNG into our environment. This is Eclipse and it has a simple Java project. Okay, first we need to know the TestNG is there or not in our Eclipse. Just for sake of confirmation, simply right click on your project and observe that the TestNG is available or not here. In this context menu, if you observe here, there is no TestNG, right? So only team is there and TestNG is not there. It means that simply I can say that TestNG is not installed in my Eclipse. Cool. Now how I can install TestNG into my Eclipse? It's very simple. The simplest way here is go to the help and go to the Eclipse marketplace. This is a simple and the best way to install any add-ons or any libraries into your Eclipse. Okay, so now I need a TestNG, right? I'm just searching for TestNG. Let's go. Okay, so here it is a TestNG. Got my point? And I'm clicking on install. It will take few seconds. Let's wait. And I choose all the add-ons. Okay, and click on confirm. And I'm accepting the license agreement. Finish. So it is giving the warning. Anyway, I am clicking on install anyway. Yes, restart now. Cool. Okay, now let's see. Now I'm going for my project. It's my test project, and I'm right click on my project. See here, now the TestNG option is available, and I can able to create a TestNG class, and I can able to convert into a TestNG. Okay, now TestNG is installed in my Eclipse. After installation, okay, for these editors we need to do one more thing. Okay, we need to add TestNG library to your project. Then only you can execute your TestNG classes. Okay, you can implement it, but for sake of execution we need to add the library. So for that I'm simply right clicking on my project and going for build path, add libraries, and I'm selecting TestNG library. Finish it. Okay, see here, now TestNG library is added to my project. Clear? So what is TestNG? It's a simply testing framework which we are using for our testing needs. Okay, then what we are doing next, we are installing TestNG in Eclipse. Okay, so installing TestNG in Eclipse. Okay, after that what we need to do, we need to add TestNG library. Okay, so this is the work first we need to do here. This is a one-time setup. Okay, installing TestNG in Eclipse is a one-time setup, and for every new project we need to add that TestNG library. Okay, once you add it to your project, we can use it. If you create a new project, again you need to add TestNG library to your new project. Okay, after that now we can start using the TestNG. Okay, we can start using the TestNG. Okay, so it has couple of functionalities or couple of logic or annotations, whatever it may be. So each session we will see one by one. As of now I'm just giving a simple test just to see the TestNG integration is gone good or not. I'm creating a simple Java class. Okay, and I'm providing the name as a test case 1. I'm not choosing the main method because now we are using the TestNG, we don't need the main method. So this is my simple class. Now let's say I just want to test a small functionality. I'm writing the simple method like public void let's say verify login. Let's say my intention here is to verify the login functionality. So I will write my code blah 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 here. For sake of simplicity I'm just giving system.out.println. Okay, so I'm just only giving the verified login. Okay, now what I will do here is this is my logic. This is my logic to test some functionality. To test this logic I am using one of the annotations provided by the TestNG, nothing but @test. This is my @test annotation. That's it. Okay, make sure that it will import the TestNG annotation because @test has annotated in TestNG as well as in JUnit. Okay, fine. I simply run it. We'll see. See, it's saying that one test is run and which is passed, and here also TestNG console is also saying your test is verify login, which is inside your class called test case 1, which is passed, and the TestNG will give the report also. So simply refresh your project once so that you will get the output folder here. Okay, you will get the two types of reports, emailable report and index report. Okay, so just open your emailable report. So what we will do is we will open in a browser rather than the XML file. See, it's saying that so and so test is passed. Okay, this is a simple report which provided by the TestNG. Good. So TestNG has couple of annotations just like this test. We will see those things in coming sessions.